How to make watermark on Capcut for PC. To add a watermark in Capcut, start by preparing a video clip. Generally, video watermarks come in the form of text watermarks and image watermarks. Text watermark refers to adding desired text on the video. In Capcut, click on the Text option at the top left corner, add default text, align the text timeline with the video timeline, and proceed. Move the text to the desired location. Here, we add it to the bottom left. Next, let's change the name of this text to Watermark. Further adjust by reducing its size. Play it back. We can see that the watermark is now at the bottom left of the video. Of course, we can also adjust the opacity of the watermark. The opacity can be adjusted in the Opacity section under Brand. This controls the opacity of the text. This generates a way to set a transparent watermark. We usually set the watermark to about 50%, let's play it. You can see this watermark just floating above the video. Of course, you can also create a shimmering watermark like that. The watermark is in a transparent state. First, we restore the opacity, click on Glow, you can see the watermark here becomes shiny by adjusting it. Its luminous intensity can be adjusted in the intensity parameter. We can also change the color and range of the glow. This way you can create a glowing watermark. Or we can change its word art style on effects. This way, you can also create a glowing watermark. Using this, we can see this watermark has become a glowing watermark, but it's too obvious, let's adjust its opacity. Let's play it at 50% as well, then we can see the watermark placed at the bottom left of the video. Also, we can use an image as a watermark. In that case, you need to prepare your logo in advance, and then drag it to the top of the video. Align the timeline with the video timeline, shrink the logo image, and place it at the top of the video. Let's play it. The logo is too prominent, so let's adjust its opacity as well. Yeah, you can see that the logo is printed on the video. It's best to adjust the contrast of the image watermark. We choose the image. Click on the adjustment at the upper right corner. Locate the contrast. Play it for a moment. This way, you can see that the image blends seamlessly with the scene.